METATRONICS platform review. Have you heard about METATRONICS? This platform claims to use AI-powered high-frequency trading to generate passive income with minimal effort. Is METATRONICS a good platform? Everything you need to know before you dive in. So in this video, I will break down everything you need to know, including its features, the claims, and every other information. Disclaimer: the insight shared in this video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. Always make your personal research before taking part in any platform. This video is strictly for informative and educative purpose and not a financial advice. Now let's get started. First of all, what is Metatronics? Metatronics is a platform that says it combines artificial intelligence with high-frequency trading to automate trading in each financial market. So according to the platform, users simply fund its automated trading system, search for profitable opportunity 247 without requiring manual trading. So this is an AI platform that trades for you. So once you register on this platform, and the good thing about this platform is that once you register, they are going to give you $20 for your trading. And you are now going to use that $20 to invest and start trading. And once you have the minimum withdrawal threshold, you can actually withdraw from the platform. The link will be in the description of this video. Make sure you use that link to register. Now, immediately you register, they are going to give you $30 bonus for your trading. And this is where you are going to find the $20. That is the total. You're going to see it here. And immediately you receive it, you are going to click on invest in trading. You need to invest that $20, and that $20 will be generating income, passive income for you every day. It doesn't have any fees, profit. It depends on the market if fluctuations. That is what will determine the amount you're going to make for profit in a day. So it is now less for you to make use of it. So once you register, they are going to give you 30 days for you to use that $20 to claim. And if you want to claim that $20 plus the profit you are making, you need to deposit to the platform. You need to deposit minimum of $100 so that you can withdraw $20, including that profit you have already made and withdrew to your platform. So once you click on this event and you start trading, you are going to be seeing invest. Just tap on that invest, you are going to invest it. Now, any profit you made will be here. This is where you will see the profits that you make and you can withdraw it. If you make the withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw it immediately. Now to withdraw, you just tap on withdraw, and mind you are going to withdraw this after 30 days. Look at what they said here. Withdrawal from income balance. Withdrawal funds from your income balance to your USDT wallet, minimum $20. So if you deposit, the minimum you can withdraw as from the platform is $20. That is exactly how this thing works. And you have to choose your network. And after 30 days, you can request for your withdrawal. After 30 days, you click on request withdrawal here. You tap on it. You are going to receive both your capital and your fund that you withdraw. So you must have your personal fund on your wallet so that you can claim it before 30 days. After 30 days, that $20 they give you will expire and you will not be able to withdraw as from the platform. So if you want to withdraw as from the platform, you have to deposit at least $100 to be able to claim that 120 plus your profit you made from the trading. This video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. Make your own personal research. But if you don't want to deposit, you can register and use that $20 bonus they are going to give you. Invest it and be removing your capital once you have the withdrawal threshold. So make your own personal research. This is not a financial advice.